Good evening, friends. Today we are going to learn how to draw support and trend lines. It is very easy and interesting. And why should learn these things? This will help us to predict where market is going to take support and where market could face resistance. Very useful. Just watch this one full video. You yourself draw and practice from your end. By that you can able to understand very easily where market is going to turn down or turn up. Very interesting subject, very easy. For that we need to take the big chart pattern that I am going Nifty and observing from 2007 onwards. See here, here they faced some resistance and took support around 2400. That this is 2008, the subprime. This was a big fallout due to Lehman Brothers, and market touched a number of times and faced a stiff resistance around this 6350, clearly visible. In March 2014, that broke and closed above that resistance level. So once that breaking that level, that market bounced back to fresh highs around 9100 level here, facing the resistance. After that, in 2016, that small correction has happened in international level. At that time 6900 level worked as our support level. So here what I am doing is, what are the major obvious levels of the chart I am taking into consider and making some trend lines, making some supports and resistance lines. The resistance lines means where market going to face maximum resistance, and support means where market turn up from taking resistance, taking support. Here clearly observe, after taking support, market multiple support around 10,050, market went back to fresh high. The month Jan 20, around 12,400. Once that happened, due to COVID, market fallen back to 7,400 level, 7,500. Clearly understand here, this 10,000 level not work, could not work to take support. After support, broken support, market crash, multiple supports. This 9,000 also is the support, but after breaking the multiple supports, market fallen heavily and took supports around 7,500. By watching the long-term support, long-term charts, 6,900 clearly visible. Fortunately, market support around 7,500. Now what is going to happen ahead of time? We can simply predict by chart. This level, 11,600 level, going our resistance, and 10,000 works once again as a support, major support, and 10,500 as a support. We can consider in short span also. For considering short span high 11,350 is our resistance, is 10,890 works as our support. For making big move, market need to break 11,350 at least one day to close, and a big move on downside 10,890 to close, below that close at least one day. It's very interesting. I think you got what I want to say and how to draw the support and resistance lines by just seeing and watching your screen. You can also practice from your end. If any doubt, facing any difficulty, you can comment on my comment box. Very interesting. And finally, once again I request all, subscribe my channel if you not, and you will get more interesting information coming days. Thank you for watching. Let's see once again in our coming videos.